Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of CapCut. We go to settings and we click here. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of CapCut and we click here. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop as you see and you will click. Here we click on storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.